Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sundari, class PBAC 2020, University West Sulawesi. Here I will explain about conjunction in discourse analysis. Discourse analysis asks the same sort of question about conjunction as the two about other grammatical items. What roles do they play in creating discourse? Do their categories and realization differ from language to language? How are they distributed in speech and writing? What restrictions on their use are there which are not reflected pure choose sentence analysis, and what features of their use are inadequately expected in conversational grammar? Conjunctive elements are cohesive not in themselves but indirectly. By virtue of their specific meanings, they are not primarily the piece for reaching out into the preceding or following text, but they express certain meaning which presuppose their presence of their components in the discourse. Halliday and Hassan, 1978-126. According to Halliday in Introduction to Functional Grammar, 1985-103, conjunction is classified into elaboration, extension, and adjustment. 1. Elaboration. Elaboration means are clause that expand another by elaboration on it, some portion of it, by restating, in other words, specified in greater detail, commenting or exemplifying. Halliday, 1985-196. There are two categories of elaborative relation, namely apposition and clarification. 1. Apposition. In this type of elaboration, some element is represented or resented either by exposition or example. Look at the example below. 1. Expository. In other words, what is, I mean, to put it another way. 2. Explain. For example, for instance, thus, and be illustrated. 2. Clarification. Here, the elaboration element is not simply related but restated, summaries, made more precise, or in some restated summaries, made more precise, or in some other why clarified for the purpose of discourse. 1. Corrective. For example, or rather at least to be more precise, distractive, by the way, indicantly, dismissive, in any case, anyway, leaving that aside, particulation, in particular, more specific, another. Okay, next, extension. Extension means one clause expands another by extending beyond it by adding some new element, giving an expansion to it, or offering an alternative. Halliday, 1985, 197. Extension involves either addition, advertive, or variation. Okay, 1. Addition. Additive conjunction asks to structurally coordinate or link by adding to the presupposed item defeat into one positive, for example, and also moreover in addition to negative nor. 2. Adversative. It is conjunction which related to clause that state contract each other. In Krida Laksana, 1993, 117. Each H also to indicate country to expansion and signaled by but, yet, on the other hand, and however. 3. Variation. Variation in class reflected instead sub subtractive expect and alternative or type. 1. Reflective on country instead subtractive apart from that expect alternative alternatively. Enhancement. Enhancement means one clause expands another by amplifying around it by qualifying it with some circumstantial feature or time, place, cause or condition. Holiday 1985 197. Spatial temporal. Spatial realization are doing use a text creating cohesive device and the most apparently spatial cohesion is in terms of metaphorical space. For example, there in there you wrong words temporal conjunction are then next afterwards just then before that in the end and other. Manner conjunctive create cohesion by comparison and by reference to means. They are likewise similarly in different way. Casual to conditional. In many types of discourse, the relation of cause figures very prominently as the cohesive agent. Some cause expressions are general, others relate more specifically to result, reason or purpose. So then, therefore, in concession on account of this, for the purpose and age. Manner. Here cohesion is established by reference to the matter that has gone before. Typical expression are here, there are to that, in that respect, in other respect, elsewhere. Additive conjunction. Additive or cumulative or copulative conjunction and additive conjunction merely add one statement to other. It doesn't express ideas such as contrast, choice, or inference. Examples are and also to as well as both and not only but also. Look at the sample below. 2. Adversative conjunction. Adversative conjunction are to express a contract between two statements in a sentence. Example are but, nevertheless, however, worse, only, still, and other. For example, he is poor but he is honest. 2. Wise men love truth, whereas false shun it. Causal conjunction. Causal conjunction are used to explain how things were or why things happen. For example, I got soaking wet in the rain because I didn't have my umbrella with me. I didn't have breakfast today, so I am really hungry now. 3. I am about to walk the dog, hence my casual clothes and Wellingtons. Temporal conjunction tell us about the time when will something happen. Which of the two happened first? Below is the list of commonly used temporal connective. For example, after, as a song, at first, at once, before, finally, just another. For example, in sentence 1. He come home after or before me. 2. I was asleep when she called me. 3. While my mother was cleaning the floor, my brother was playing with his toy. 4. Whenever I see Ted, he complained about something. Okay, conjunction function to connect words with words, prices with prices, and clause with clause. Okay, I think enough. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.